What's up, guys? So it's the next day, back at the truck. Came here to grab the caliper, so when I go to get my new one, I make sure to get the right one. So I'm sick of bringing home the wrong part. So yeah, that's what I'm originally here for, but we're gonna fire it up and see what my shit did yesterday, see if it helped anything. Gotta give the gas 6 pumps. There we go. Oh, I guess I should hook up my battery terminals. Running like piss. So I found a shop, or my buddy found a shop where they will rebuild my carb. They rebuilt his, $300, rebuilt it, all said and done. His truck ran so much better. So I'm at the point where we might as well just do the same thing, because I'm sick of fucking dealing with this piece of shit. And I don't know carbs, and I don't know anybody who can come and fucking help me, do carbs or whatever. We'll let it warm up there, and while we're letting it warm up, I'm gonna take off the caliper because I need to bring that with me. I'm gonna grab something to clog the line with. And yeah, we'll pull it off right now. So the truck warmed up a bit. Starting to run a little smoother. Oh no. I don't have open-ended. Fuck. And I really need to buy myself a set because I keep running into this problem where I can't get these things loose. So get the rust off. Shit works wonders when you have some left. Leave that for a few minutes to soak. So I had this problem the other day, the exact same problem. All my fucking brake lines were stuck. They were seized, I couldn't get them open. On my sedan though, dealt with the same problem, fucking stripped a couple. Well, the handy dandy vice grips, these come in handy. Handy dandy vice grips. They're gonna get the job done right here, you'll see. Tripod is set up. Attach the camera. And voila. When you do this, you want to make sure it's real tight. Boom, just like that. Crack. Ah! You all just watched that fail. Don't do that. It's not good on the line. Good thing I'm getting new lines anyways. Wow. But it is loose. Just like that, boys and girls. Right now, she'll be off. Part is off. Hopefully I'm not losing brake fluid there. I don't really care if I am. I just don't want my cats to drink it. Truck's warm. Runs a million times better. I am so confused of why I'm having the issue that I'm having. Need to actually take it on the road and drive it for a bit to find out. So maybe I'll insure it soon and see what happens. So I ended up pulling this apart, putting it in the vise, getting good fucking leverage on it, and I managed to break it loose. So I'm gonna throw the pad in anyways and hook it back up. Holy fuck, I'm just losing it like crazy. So I'm gonna put the pad in, hook it back up, and bleed it later when I have a second hand. And maybe this will just do fine. We'll find out. Fucking everything is so rusty. There we go. So, toss the one pad in. Start trying to slide these motherfuckers through if I can get them to fucking move at all. So got it to move. Slide the other one in place too. Pound these fuckers through a little bit more. Fucking missing. It's hard filming by yourself. Still need a fucking filmer. Or just someone who wants to fucking chill all the time. So if you're ever looking for someone to work on cars with, hit me the fuck up. I'm always working on them anyways. And just like that, that clip goes in there. I don't have the piece to hold the pads apart, but that's cool because we'll just shove it on fucking here. It's on there. It's pretty impossible to film all this, so you'll see it on here in a sec. Gonna come grab my fucking 10 mil. Oh my god. Cool idea and all, but like, wow, is finding a wrench. Didn't really show you guys what it was. It's a spring holding all the wrenches up so they're not just scattered. Kinda cool, but you gotta set them in fucking order so you know. So, it's back on. Let's see how much brake fluid I got. Definitely low on the brake fluid. .3, I think I have some .3. Oh, I know, and my car's a mess. Don't make fun. 90% sure that it'll be fine. It says Toyota on it. Pretty sure .3 and 4 are pretty much the same. I'm gonna look it up right now and double check. And we'll see. To do the brake fluid, it should be fine. All right, what's up, guys? So, back at the truck. New day. I'm gonna get somebody to help me bleed the brakes today, so I can drive this thing around a little bit around the block at least. I'll do the 6 bumps. And we'll let her warm up. So Charlie's over here.
On the table.
Charlie's over here getting his fucking tires off.
On the workbench in here.
Little did he know, he's about to fucking dent his roof.
He wants to roll backwards.
And the truck's rolling backwards. Talk about sketchy. Not thinking. Oh, sorry. I was just over here checking out Tanner's truck. And his fucking vacuum hose from the distributor runs to there, but mine runs to here. Sorry if that's weird. So we're gonna go swap mine around right now and see what that does. No go or what? All right. And no cutout when it's cold. So now just adjust idles and shit from there. Clearly, it idles like a bag of fucking piss when it's cold.
Well, you're taking the rim with the side of that. That's what keeps happening. That lip. It's getting a wedge on your rim.
Whole truck sliding over. De-beating station. Whoa. That's how you break a fucking jack there, guys. Charlie will teach you.
That is what's happening, because then I'm lifting the truck once I hit my rim.
Yeah. It's got nowhere else to go.
Gonna move it over a little.
Twister, like, yeah, bring that end out.
Close. Still got it. So got a couple off, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. We got given this idea, so we'll give it a shot. Also, I swapped those things around and my truck runs so much smoother. I don't know if I already filmed that, but I think I might have fixed it. I'm not gonna jinx it, but I probably just did jinx it. Hopefully I don't run over you guys. I know.
You're going back a little?
Oh, I got no brakes. Just so you guys know. I don't know if you want to try to hit it with the hammer or what. Should I go farther?
Forward more.
Go forward more?
Yeah. Forward a bit more.
The brakes are actually kind of working. Not really. It's not doing it.
Go forward a bit. Forward.
Almost need 2 trucks.
I mean, we got 2 trucks.
Drive on the other side of it too.
been smoking. She's rolling away. Row, row, row. Row, row, row. Row. One truck wouldn't do it, so we go home with 2 trucks. Never mind, 1 truck did it.
That's a really good way of doing that. I was like, this fucking walk is just over there. Come do it off.
Hell yeah.
All the tires go with.
Oh, just sandwiches. That's good for it. Jump, jump, jump around.
Okay, go back.
Somebody want to buy these tires? They're fucking mint.
Yo. What's up?
My brakes work fucking great now. Super hyped on that. I bought a new master cylinder. Didn't even end up using it, but can't hurt to have an extra one because it's probably going to seize up. Hell yeah.